Good morning and welcome back to Tauranga. Today we're heading up the coast, up the Coromandel to Whangamata for New Year's Eve. We've just finishing off getting stuff in the car and then we will be on our way. It is another beautiful sunny New Zealand summer's day and it's already quite hot even though it's only 9:45, waiting to be on our way. We have made it to Whangamata and we have our tent for the next 2 nights all set up, and we'll get our swimming things on and we're gonna head down to the beach and play in the waves with the boogie boards, and it's really hot so it's gonna be nice down there.
Hello!
So we've just been down at the beach for like 3 hours, like hanging out in our little blue tent and like swimming. It's been so nice, and I had the GoPro out with us, so you will have seen that by now. But yeah, I think we're gonna head back up to the beach, up to the house now, and then go in, have some food and see what's happening down in the town.
Acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should all acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne.
So I didn't film anything yesterday and I haven't really filmed anything today, so here is a quick update of where we're up to. New Year's, we went out, you saw that, and then I filmed some things yesterday of us being on the kayaks. We went out in Whangamata and went into what's called Donut Island, and kayaked around that. We pretty much just had a chill day yesterday and just relaxed. So not much to add to that. But today we drove up to Paihia, so we've come to the far north, and it was literally just a travel day. So again, I haven't filmed anything, and I'm not going to film anything tonight as well. So that's it. But I wanted to add in Happy New Year to everybody. I hope that your 2017 was really awesome and ended well, and I hope that 2018 is even more incredible than 2017 was. I don't know what's in store for the next year, but that's what makes it really exciting. So we will all see what adventures come within the next year. That's it. So tomorrow we are doing a tour up to Cape Reinga, which will be really cool. I've never been this far north before in the North Island, so this is all pretty new to me. So that's what's happening tomorrow, and then the next day is a free day, so we're doing whatever we want to do. So that's also going to be pretty cool. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to conclude the kind of mishmash that is this video has been. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you can see more videos that are coming, and ring the bell so that you get notifications. You'll find in the description below everywhere that we've been and any links that may interest you, and comment on things. Make a comment. Also make a comment down below, and that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, but until then, remember to explore all you see, laugh out loud, and live your dreams. Okay, bye.